This question is all about the price of football kits, and throughout they often use things like shirts, shorts, and socks in the question, so it might be useful to have a shorthand for the prices of each of these. Here I've called the price of a shirt X, the price of a pair of shorts Y, and the price of a pair of socks Z. And the information we're given in the question can be rewritten as 3y plus z equals 2x, and 7y plus 4z equals 5x. Now, we're told that Eden has exactly enough money to buy 9 shirts. So she has exactly 9x units of currency. And we want to find out how many complete football kits can be bought for the same amount of money. Now, a complete football kit consists of one of each item of clothing. So it can be represented by x plus y plus z. And we want to work out how many x plus y plus z's are equivalent to 9x. Now, in this expression, we have y plus z appearing together as one expression with the same coefficient in front of each y and z. We have two simultaneous equations with y and z on the left-hand side and x on the right-hand side. So what we're going to try and do is make some combination of these equations so that we have the same coefficient in front of the y and the z. We can play around with these equations and try different multiples of each other and subtracting and adding various variations of these equations. And eventually what we find is when we take 2 lots of the second equation and minus 3 lots of the first equation and add them together, we're going to get 5y plus 5z is equal to 4x. So what this tells us is one copy of y plus z is equal to 4/5 x. We're now going to substitute this expression into this final line and see what value of k gives us the right answer. So now that we have an expression for y plus z in terms of x, we'll substitute it into this equation. And now if we compare the left-hand side and the right-hand side, we have a 9x in common, so the correct value of k to make both sides equal is k equals 5. So we can buy 5 complete football kits for the same cost as 9 shirts.